Sharon Sangeetha. I'm a homemaker and I'm a mother of 2 lovely kids. I am here because I heard the word vegan makeover. I've never heard of something like that before. I'm very excited to try. I'm a bit bored of the way I look and I've not done something for my hair for a long time, so I'm here to try this. I decided to try this vegan makeover because of the word vegan. It sounds very safe to me. Many times I've thought of going other places to do something for my hair because I have a lot of frizz and I'm always bunning my hair, tying it up, and I was very sick of that. So when I heard the word vegan, to me, I find that there cannot be something more safer than a plant-based treatment for your hair. So that's why I came here. Plus, I also heard that there's value in doing this, so I'm here to test what the value is and share that with you. I am here today because, as I shared with you, I'm a homemaker of 2 very young kids. So safety is a big concern for me, and a lot of treatments in the market have a lot of harsh chemicals in them, and the treatment itself takes very long, which I cannot afford to because I have 2 young kids to take care of at home. So I have known Solution for a long time. I've come here for many different treatments, and this is a trusted brand for me, so I'm very excited that they've launched a vegan hair care just when I was looking for it, so that's why I'm here to try it. You can get their solutions online and island-wide, and they also have a DIY solution, which is a 365-day solution that you can do from the comfort of your own home. And I love this quote from Solution Care: home is not a place, it's a feeling. So you can feel good and confident in your own home. I'm done with my vegan hair makeover. As you can see, I've done some color, and I'm very happy, so I'm here to give you my review. While doing the process, I felt very safe because of the ingredients that I used. It's vegan. The aroma of the products was so good. I could smell vanilla essence, and it was so good. Even when I washed my hair, the shampoo that was used, there was nothing very overpowering about any of it. The solution, it actually touched my skin and it was on my scalp, but there was no irritation, no tingling feeling. So I could tell that the ingredients in it was very safe, and there was no harsh chemical scent. So the aroma was very nice. The results with just finger blow drying was also very good. I chose to do ironing as well, so this is the result you get if you choose to do one extra step. And after a few washes, I'm told that my natural waves will be seen again. So overall, I'm very happy, and I would highly recommend anyone who want a safe alternative, you want to save time, you want to save money, you have to come and try this for yourself.